She was not kidding. Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture.tv. This is an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. As you can see, it just landed on my doorstep. And this was entirely because of, shout out to Carol. I will leave her channel below. This was the brand new runway from Pharrell and they just released this. And we are going to unbox it together because I want to see it and touch it, and it's all because of Carol. She was not kidding. Watch her unboxing because it is hilarious. This does not even fit in the screen. If you ordered online, probably a Pegasus, it would, I don't know if it would be this big. Holy moly. This was so funny, and my DHL guy was just like, I swear he must look at me. This is so cool. Oh my god. I don't even know how to fit it in the screen. This is what Carol said. I don't even know how to fit it in the screen. Okay, that shopping bag is way too small for this. This literally looks like luggage. Oh! I'm pretty sure this is luggage. Look, it's got like air cardboard. These are cardboard containers to store it. Look at that. Oh my god. This is so ginormous. I could fit Zaki in here. Thank God they are not here. He would make this into some sort of fortress for Minecraft. Let's do this. Let's try this. Let's see. I wanted to see it in person. After I watched Carol's video, I was like, what? I'm having a Pharrell moment, as a lot of people, especially if you are into the P9 Speedy and you're just into his whole fresh vibe, which is, you know, very androgynous. He makes it work for everyone. If you're into him at the moment, you will probably like this a lot. I don't even know where to sit it. Okay, for sure. Oh. What? Okay. Let me put the struggle street. Okay, now I see why Carol was struggling as well in her video. This is why. The boxes collapse, but this one just goes straight back down. Proof of purchase down inside. I'll share the code and the price. Oh, that's good. It's on the back. This is unbelievable because this is the brand new. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. The brand new Never Ever Full. Get it? Well, you should, because this is big. This is big. This is big. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be in her video. I mean, it's huge, and I'll hold up the GM. I have it there. And I might put you up at the back of this room where I film, like, where I film shorts and reels and stuff. And I might hold them against me because kneeling back here is probably not going to do it any justice. But it's not as, I mean, it's huge. It is definitely ginormous. Sorry, I'm looking at my GM. It's definitely ginormous, but the features of these are, this is beautiful. And the touch, as Carol said, of the denim is also really, really beautiful. Obviously, keeping in mind it's denim, it's fabric, but it is really soft to the touch. Here is the Never Ever Full, the Never Ever Full in the denim, in the damier. It comes in this, in the denim, it comes in his damier with the colours, and it comes in kind of like a P9 in the monogram in this, but in his like pre-patinaed, thicker kind of vequette. And they're the three in this Never Ever Full. I want to keep saying ever ever, but it's just never ever. Okay, let's get you specific details. Oh, that's right. I put a card in here for myself. You can make, you know, gift cards online. To Mummy. Happy Mother's Day. Love, Mummy. Aww, I'm so sweet to myself. Okay, so code being N00198, and it is the Never Ever Damier Denim BL. That is the code that goes with it. But the Never Ever Full. And if you put that in the search bar on the website, that's what comes up. Obviously, I put that straight away after watching Carol's video on it. I'm going to have to kneel to show you the features of this. But the coolest thing, which everyone has probably said for so many years, is to put a zipper on the Neverfull. And this comes with a zipper. Obviously, giving it its nice price tag, which I'll give you in a second, that will be in Australian dollars. But this comes with a top zipper, definitely for the size, and it's got the Pharrell type LV button zipper in a way. Ooh, Carol said it was so smooth. It is so smooth. Ooh, I like that. I love that. That's beautiful. Ooh. He's just so funky. Look at the Louis Vuitton beach and palm tab, fabric tab there sewn down, and it's a linen lined. So it's the beige kind of linen drill, very much like the inside of, I will get it because it is my bag. If you saw my trade out to my garden party 30 from Hermes, it is very similar. This is like in a twill though, like it's got the herringbone, but it's very similar in the linen feel to the inside of a garden party, but ginormous. Yes, if we look down inside there, you can see, if that's showing all of it, you can see that it's got the pouch. It comes with its own pouch, which is basically the size of a Speedy 20. And then it has one zip compartment in there as well. Oh, the tag is in here, which, if we're going to talk about packaging Louis Vuitton, this, when I first started traveling to Hong Kong, this looks, honestly, this looks like the tags that used to be sort of on the counterfeit bags. I'm not going to lie. This is just not the zhuzh at all. On the inside, if I lean back like so, and the internal pocket, ooh, that's a nice smooth zipper. Ooh, it's got the strap for the pouch and the luggage tag, which is in leather as well. I'll show them up close. And the internal zipper pocket is probably obviously the same sort of depth. Oh, it doesn't go all the way down. It stops. Oh, it's very shallow. It doesn't go all the way down like the normal Neverfull. It's actually quite shallow. It stops about here. So it's like less than a quarter. That's very small. That is quite small indeed. Let me hold them up together. Actually, I'll just hold them up together because I have the GM here. I won't put you up on the back of the room there. I'll just, yeah, this actually does fit both of them. That's good. I mean, yeah, okay, it's massive. People say that the GM is so massive. I think I've just got so used to it. It was my first bag from Louis Vuitton. But it is a lot bigger. This is so like summer travel. That is the vibe. That fabric tag inside is totally the vibe, 100%. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Definitely, if you're, you know, needing a big travel tote and you want the zipper closure. Now this internal pocket, again, this is the original. I think the design now of the Neverfull is, yeah, it's not, it doesn't come up, it doesn't lift up. I think it's inside the actual material, but this is ginormous. This goes all, this is the same size as the actual depth of this bag. So the whole length of this bag is the size of that pocket. So that's actually quite small for the size of this bag, comparatively speaking. But, yay, holy moly, Carol was right. Sure, she was right, girl. This fits inside. I think she did. Did she put her? Okay, this is the MM. Oh, this is just a. This is as put together as Carol and I are working in a team here. Okay, so there's the MM next to it, so that can definitely fit inside of it. And then yeah, you saw the GM. I only have two hands, so very big. Very, very big. So this puppy in Australia comes in at 5,000 even. So that is for a fabric, denim fabric Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag. However, it does have hardware, a zipper, the pouch, the leather, you know, luggage tag and strap and lanyard and things like that. But to make note, Vuitton is going up. We know that, we've all known that, but with Pharrell, with the introduction of this P9 and the whole, you know, vibe of it and everything, and I think they did that with Virgil anyway. I feel like they, you know, bought the new creative director vibe, bought kind of a new price tag, and it's relative, right? Is it relative? Is it not anymore? Nobody can say, okay? Nobody can say what is going on. Price increases, not price increases, America, tariffs, all of this stuff, okay? Luxury, where is it sitting? Who cares? No one cares. It's just, it's everywhere. You do you. If you love it, buy it, wear it. That is all I believe, truthfully. Do I think it's dead? Absolutely not. Do I think the price increases are crazy? Of course. Is it relative to the times? I'm not going to have a say, okay? I'm just going to sit here nice and quiet and not get myself into any trouble and just show you this bag, shall I? Okay, I'll get nice and close and show you, but this came in at 5K even. So firstly, here was my beautiful note for Mother's Day. Oh, from my mummy, meaning me, from mummy. This mummy to mummy. Okay, I went ahead and just put on the leather luggage tag here. It's really beautiful blue. I think it is coming up quite true to color. It's like this Oceana kind of blue. Very, very pretty. Pretty, and that's why I feel like he can move across, you know, male to female so nicely, because he does do pretty type colors. It's not just very masculine and not wearable for us. These are the details. Look at this zipper. Honestly, look at this zipper pull. It is becoming his little iconic situation here with this button. It's got LV engraved in it and then Louis Vuitton engraved in the actual pull, and it is really smooth, as I said. Just gorgeous. The pouch, I just went ahead and I put the strap through it for you, but it does have tape, and again, it's his like signature hardware. I don't think we're going to get away from it. It's really heavy and bulky. With the P9 I just got from Fashion File, I actually took all of that, like the lock and everything off, because it was so heavy. I had it out the other day and I was just like, this is like lugging around. This is really heavy. It's very, yeah, very, very bulky type hardware. There is his zipper pull again with the LV and Louis Vuitton. Beautiful and smooth. So they're the details on the outside. The D-ring has Louis Vuitton engraved around the front of it there. Oh, I didn't even open inside. They're showing you that beautiful linen. So you can see it up close there. Very, very Hermes-esque. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain, stamped there on the beautiful blue leather. This blue has got Connor, Mr. Connor, written all over it. You would love this colour blue, babe. Okay, while we got it up nice and close, let's go ahead and show you the inside and this gorgeous fabric tag. This is probably the part I love the most. Look at this tag. Look at that. If that's not just like, yes please, I want to be on that cruise. This is cruise I want to be on. This is the most amazing. Yes please. Gorgeous. Summertime hello. So there is the back zipper pocket, you can see, lined in the leather, and then a beautiful big zipper tab there, and then Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain, would be stamped there as well, and then the D-ring for the pouch. But that is the linen up close. It really, really is beautiful. Okie doke. Wow. So what do I think? For what Virgil is doing, oh my god, Virgil, oh, I just got chills. Chills! For what Pharrell is doing in the sense of moving menswear forward in this kind of, as I said, androgynous way, I'm going to be honest, it's different to Virgil. I think Virgil really focused more on the kind of youth and fun of bringing that real like youth aspect to menswear for Louis Vuitton, whereas I feel like Pharrell's made it more like, you know, I can wear belt chains and carry a P9 and wear like platforms and that whole androgynous kind of, you know, feeling, and that's what I'm bringing to the table. And I think it's done something fun. It's done something fun for menswear, that's for sure. How do I feel about this? It's all piped in leather, no feet. I think they need to offer it in more. Right now it's only 3, correct? But it is never ever full. That is for sure. That is definitely for sure. I think it is really gorgeous. I think, is it worth the money? Is it worth the money? Yes, if you're a collector, this is amazing. You know, add this to your collection. If you do Neverfulls, add this to your collection. If you don't do Neverfulls, don't even think about it, for sure. This craftsmanship is so beautiful as well. That's it today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like this Never Ever Full? To be able to grab it and get my hands on it was so cool. I wanted to feel it, and I told Carol that. I was like, add to cart. I just saw your video. So please check out her video. I'll link it below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.